So when you look at the past and history, where are you seeing similarities to where we find ourselves today?
So I have looked at, let's just call them ages, these various ages throughout the past that had signs of systemic change, meaning that not just one little thing is changing or one domain, but there's change happening across the broader set of civilizational systems. There were five that I landed on: the hunter-gatherer, agriculture, the axial age, which doesn't get much attention, but really the axial age is where most of our philosophical thought came from, our religions, our moral compass, etc. The Renaissance, as it led into the Enlightenment, and obviously the Industrial Age. Those are the five that experienced some level of trauma, if you will, that led to a transition to another age. And that to me is the key. If an age's operating logic can sustain itself, then there really is no transition. When you reach a point where the operating logic of an age can no longer hold, that's when you start to see the signs that a transition is probably likely to another set of operating logics or systems, if you will, to support the age that is versus the age that was. And so those are the five, and that really is the biggest takeaway from my analysis.